Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to insert video in our PowerPoint slide and then importing data from Word. So these two topics we are going to cover today. So let's proceed. Here we are having our slides. Now suppose if I want to insert video in my slide. So first of all you have to choose the slide. For instance, suppose I'm creating my new slide where I want to insert a video. So for that you click on insert button. Here you have insert button. Then here you have video. Click on this video. Now you have two options, online video or video on my PC. So this online video is chosen if you want to take from online, if you want to download any video and put over here, so that you can do, or you can provide a link over here. What we are going to choose, we are going to choose video which are there on my PC. So I will select this option. So I click on this. Now here wherever your video is stored, so you go to that location. So suppose I want my this video to be inserted over here. So I'm clicking this and insert. Now you can see that my video is inserted. Now you can play on this and just look that how this video is will look like when you will go for slideshow. So you can look from here. Then if you want to some options are there which you will have to do to insert this video in your slide. So you click on this, or you can go from here, this playback. Then here you have some options like when you want to open your slide, open your video. So this normally we choose when clicked on. If you want it to be playing automatically, you can choose this automatically. So I'm choosing this when clicked on. Then if you want to appear on the full screen, so you can choose this play full screen. Now hide while not playing. Suppose if you don't want to play your video, so and you want to hide if you are not playing that, then you can choose this option. Now suppose here you have two options like loop until stop and rewind after playing. Now what is this? Loop until stop means unless and until you stop the video, this video will keep on playing. So if you want to happen that, then you have to choose this option. Or if you want the video to be rewind, means if you want to make it uh, come to its initial start position, then you have to choose from here, that is rewind after playing. So if you want to loop it, then you can choose from here. So this is all we have to do, all these options we have to do. Then you can just slideshow and see that, we will see later on. Now our next topic is to import data from Word. So this we will learn how we can import data from Word. So for that we have to do this following steps. Click on this start button and you have to open MS Word. So you have to open this Word from your system. So I have opened this Word. I will create a blank document. So I've created a blank document. Then what you have to do is select the view tab. So here you have the view tab. From here you go to outline. Here you can see this outline. In this view tab you can see outline option is there. So click on this outline. Now here in your you have to type some text over here. So suppose if I type over here types of software, I have typed over here. Then one more thing I type over here, system software. So whatever you want you can choose. Now what I am going to do is I am going to I'm going to select this one. So first you'll have to go back to the print layout view. So you click on this close outline view. So you click on this. So when you will click go back to this print layout view. So what you will do now, you have to choose this types of software. So suppose if I'm choosing this types of software, and for this I'm choosing this heading 1, and then I will choose this system software, and for this I suppose I'm choosing heading 2. So this is up to you what kind of formatting you want to do. But here it's just to explain that explain you that you are creating over here your one Word document which will be accessed in your PowerPoint. So now next what we will do, we will save this, and we can save this on the desktop, so that we can we will later on we will export it and use in our PowerPoint. So I click on this, so this has been saved. Now again we will go back to PowerPoint. So again we are back with this PowerPoint. Now here to insert that Word document in any of the slide, what you have to do, you click on this view tab. Here you have the view tab. Then you go to slide sorter. Here you can see this in this presentation views tab. Here you can see the slide sorter option is there. So you click on this. So now here you can see that all the slides which are there in your PowerPoint presentation, all these are appearing in miniature form. Now here you have to click on home, then click on new slide. Then from here you choose slides from outline. So choose this slides from outline. Now here you have to what outline, just now we have created our outline document, so you click we choose that. So suppose this is our name, you click on insert. So we got this message because that was open, so just now I have closed it. So again I click on this home, then new slide, and then slides from outline. Here you have to choose your outline document which you have created and click on insert. So now you can see that PowerPoint in PowerPoint that that document is inserted. So here you can see that this whatever we created in Microsoft Word is inserted over here, and you can see that the slide has taken the format of what format we had chosen from before. So this is how we can insert a Word document in our PowerPoint. So here you can see that our Word document which we created in Word is inserted in this PowerPoint. So this is how we can use, we can import data from Word, and how we can insert video in our PowerPoint presentation. Now next one more topic we will learn today, that is how to use action button. So if you have to insert any action button, suppose I want to insert my action button in this slide. So I'm choosing this slide, click on insert. Here you have shapes, you click on the shapes. Then at the bottom here you have this action button, so you have to choose the action button from here. Suppose I'm choosing this action button to go forward or next. Here you can see few action buttons are there. So first 4 action buttons you will try. So this I'm going to choose to action button which is to go forward or next. So click on this and you have to draw this action button over here. Now as soon as you will release the mouse button, you will see that this window will appear. Now here mouse click this hyperlink to next slide, because this action button will take you to the next slide. Now if you want to insert any sound over here when your slide will move to the next slide, so you click on this and then from here you can choose the sound. Suppose I take any of the sound over here and then click on OK. So this is how we can insert action button to our slide. Now we will see how to how are all the slides will appear by putting this slideshow on. So let's see the slideshow of all the slides which we have inserted. So click on this slideshow from beginning. Here you can see this is our first slide, then this is the video. So where we have chosen when we will click, then this video will start playing. So here I click this. Here you can see that this video is running. Then when I go to the next slide, here you have the action button. This action button is moved to the next slide. So when I click on this, here you can see, and we had chosen one music also. So after that this slide is opening. So this is how we can insert video, and here you can see this action button, and this slide is imported from MS Word. So all these 3 things we have learned today in this video. Thanks for watching.